Hello Pisces, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this video we'll be having a look as to what are the messages for you for this month. And as these are general readings, they won't be resonating with each and every one of you, so just take what resonates and leave the rest. So let's see what are the messages for Pisces for this month. Queen of Cups had fallen down. I'll shuffle it once more. What are the messages for Pisces for this month? What are the messages for Pisces for this month? Okay, so we have the King of Wands, the Judgment, the Six of Swords, the Five of Cups, the Eight of Wands, the Four of Cups, the King of Cups, the Seven of Cups, and the Hierophant. Ace of Swords, Six of Wands, and the Justice. So Nine of Cups. So everything seems to be good here, but then Nine of Cups and Magician. So things are good here, but then what is happening? Okay, so let's start, whatever it is. Okay. So with the King of Wands and the Judgment and the Six of Swords, so what I feel here is now you are in a capacity to take a decision. That's what I'm getting. You are in a position, you're feeling confident, you're feeling good about yourself, and you are in a position to take a decision, or the decision time has come, whatever it is. And this seems to be regarding, it can be regarding a situation which has come up from the past. It can be that a long it's a condition which was long pending, or something which needed to be addressed at some point in time, but it wasn't. It's something, it's a long pending situation, something of that sort, or a rebirth of a similar situation, or a rebirth of that situation, which was, it's like blast from the past, something coming back from the past, and now you have to take a decision, but you choose to walk away from it. That's what I'm getting. So you are feeling good about yourself, you are feeling good, confident, and everything is fine. You are in a very good place, and I think there is a situation which comes up like a blast from the past, and it has to be addressed, and a decision has to be taken regarding that. It has to be sorted out, and you are feeling confident that okay, I'll do it, and the decision you take is to move away or leave it behind. Whatever this situation was, whatever this blast from the past is, what I feel is you are deciding to leave it and move towards peace. Okay, but the thing is that even though you are choosing peace and you are deciding to leave it, you're definitely leaving the situation. What if somebody is calling up from the past, you are not, you won't be with that person. If it is that, if that person, if it is an ex or something like that. So whatever this situation is which is coming up from the past, you choose to leave it, or you're not going back to the situation. Basically, if it is, the example I'm giving is, if it is your ex who wants to patch up, you are not going to do that. Okay, so you are leaving behind the situation, and that is a decision. It's not that you are leaving the situation unaddressed. You are addressing it, and your decision is to leave it away. Okay, so you are leaving that situation, and that is your decision. You're deciding to leave it and you move towards peace. But the thing is, even though you are doing it, but still you are upset. It's not that you are happy doing that. So whatever this situation or the decision is, you are deciding to move away in search of happiness, in search of peace. You don't want to deal with it once again. But even though you are doing it, you know it's right, even if, but still you are feeling very, very upset. You are feeling very depressed. You are feeling alone. Okay. You may receive a communication again. That's what I'm getting. Even if you are alone, even if you are upset, you are deciding to move away. And again I'm getting the same thing with the Four of Cups. Even if you receive the similar communication once again, you are still not accepting it. I don't know, that's what I'm getting here. You have decided that even if you are upset, but you are not accepting it. Or maybe you are so upset that you are not accepting anything new also. It can be that also. It can go both ways. With the Four of Cups, the energy here is that you are really upset. So you're leaving behind a situation. You're taking a decision to move away from something, and it is making you upset. It can be that perhaps you want to talk about it, but the other person is not ready. It can be that also. But somehow what I feel here is that even if the communication comes in, you are not accepting that communication. There is some sort of a communication which is coming in, but still you are too focused on the past to accept the communication or the new offer. If it is coming in, you are too resistant to accept it. Okay, that's what I'm getting here. This communication seems to be a good one. It doesn't seem to be a bad one. Whatever this universe is offering you, it's good. But the thing is, you are too upset that you are not accepting it. It can be something new, not necessarily from the same situation of the past, because you've left it. But you are upset with it, and it can be something new which is being offered to you by the universe, but you're not accepting it. And then we have the King of Cups, the Seven of Cups, and the Hierophant. So here what I feel is that you are definitely very, very intuitive and emotional, but you are confused as to what to do. So maybe you are not able to take this cup or take this offer because you are upset, definitely, and you are too focused on the past. But then you are very, very emotionally controlled and stable also, because you don't want to make a wrong choice, perhaps because you are very, very confused. You have many options, or you are very confused as to what to do, what not to do, because you have already suffered in the past. It can be that also. So you are definitely here, you are not accepting this cup. You're very upset, but you are emotionally controlled. You're emotionally controlled. You don't want to repeat the same mistake. You are confused. You want to make a wise choice, because what you want is, you want commitment, you want stability, you want happiness. That's what. So what I feel here is, you don't want to regret making a wrong choice, actually, because what you are looking for now is something stable and committed, and your mind is very clear about it, and you are getting a new beginning. So with the Hierophant being there, this is what you are looking for. You want commitment, you want stability, you want long term, whatever it is. And here you have the new beginning, you have the clarity. With the Six of Wands, Justice, Nine of Cups, and the Magician, definitely you are here. I think you have the clarity. Okay, this is the right choice, this is how I need to move ahead. And once you have that clarity and you move ahead with that clarity, you emerge victorious. Things are getting balanced and sorted out. You are getting the justice, and your wishes are being fulfilled. And with the Magician being there, you are manifesting something big and something new. This is, you are manifesting your dreams. You're manifesting a new beginning over here. So what I feel is, this is something you need to let go of, whatever it is from the past. The transient energy is of being upset, though the communication which is coming in is good, but somehow you are very resistant to it and you're not accepting it because you're too focused on the past. You are emotionally controlled, but you're very confused because you don't want to make any decision in haste, and you want a commitment and a stability. You really don't want to rush into anything. You don't want to take a decision and repent later on. And once you are able to get that clarity, you emerge victorious, you are happy, you are successful, you feel good, the justice is being served, situation is getting balanced, your wishes are being fulfilled, and with the magician being there, you are definitely manifesting something new. Let's see what is the message from this deck for Pisces. What else is the message from this deck for Pisces? Six of Diamonds, harmony. You need to work in harmony. You need to work in harmony. It's like you need to sit together if there is anything. You need to sort it out if there is anything. It's something like that. It is cooperation. It is charity. It is harmony. It is cooperation. You need to work in cooperation. Maybe that is what is going to give you peace. Guidance from the angels for Pisces. Healer of thought. It is time to clean up your life. Get rid of anything that clutters your space or makes you disorganized. People who take from you but don't give you back should be released as well. You or the another person involved in this situation is wise, insightful and caring, has a wonderful sense of humor and offers a lot of life experience. So Pisces, it's coming up as a little strong, but yes, a good reading. So I just hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye. Thank you.